Okay, everybody, welcome back to factoring. Today we're factoring the difference of cubes. Last time we did part one, the sum of two cubes. Now we're factoring the difference of two cubes. So look at number 2 there on the right. When you have a cubed minus b cubed, thus the name difference. When you're subtracting two numbers, you are looking for the difference. All right, so let's take a look at what we're doing today. Bam, we have 8x cubed minus 1. So I'm going to show you how you get that answer on the right hand side, the example there. We have 8x cubed, so this is a special case calling factoring the difference of cubes. Anytime you have anything other than a cubed plus b cubed or a cubed minus b cubed, then we'd have to look at other strategies. In this case though, when you have two terms and they're cubes, you can use these formulas. So we take a look at the two terms and reduce them down to something that's being multiplied 3 times. So the 8x cubed is really 2x to the third power. So 2x times 2x times 2x would give us 8x cubed. So we factor that down. And then negative 1 is really 1 cubed. Anytime you have 1, it's 1 cubed, it's 1 to the 4th, it's 1 to the 5th. It's whatever you need it to be. So in this case, 1, we'll change it to 1 cubed, which essentially is, the same thing. Because 1 times 1 times 1 still gives you 1. If that's still confusing, give it time. Let's practice. Let yourself digest that material. 2x will be our A, and 1 will be our B. And we'll take our formula over there to the right. There it's written in red, A minus B, the quantity of A minus B times the quantity of A squared plus AB plus B squared. In the previous video, we showed you how when you have that format, you multiply it out, you're going to get 2 cubed terms. So now we just take our A and our B and plug them in. Our new A and B, that is, the 2x and the 1, plug it in. So wherever there's an A, put 2x, like that. And wherever there's a B, what do you think we should put? Correct, we will put 1. So we put a 1 in all those places. And I put parentheses, starting to put parentheses around these terms because once the terms get more complicated, you'll want to separate them out. Then we put in our the formula. Parentheses around the 2x and the 1, and a minus in between. It's always going to be that minus. Put a parentheses before the 2x, and then we put our squared around the first and the third term, and put pluses in front of all of them. So we just follow the formula. Just plug it in there. Not a lot of calculation happening here, except at the very beginning where we can figure out what our A and B are. Other than that, we're just substituting into the formula. And then we clean it up and making video. Hi, Molly. 2x squared is 4x squared. It's okay. Everybody say hi, Molly. I'm leaving. Bye, Molly. So 2x squared becomes 4x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. And 1 squared, I think it's 1. So that is our final, hi Becky, our final answer to this after we've substituted everything in and multiply it out. So if you look to the right, that is the answer that they have as well. Is that correct? Yes, I got it right. Let's have you try. Let's try 8u cubed minus 125. This will only work if those two terms can be reduced to cubes. Okay? So you give it a shot and press pause now, and then when you're ready, check out the work here. Okay, welcome back. 8u cubed becomes 2u to the third power. 125 becomes 5 to the third power. And then we plug it into our formula. For every a, you put 2u. For every b, we'll put what? 5. Yes, put 5 there 3 times. 2u happens 3 times. 5 happens 3 times. And then now we plug in all the other pieces of our formula. Parentheses, minuses, squares, and pluses. And then we work out what we need to work out. First parentheses is fine, it's just 2u minus 5. Second parentheses, 2u squared is 2u times 2u, which gives us 4u squared. 10u we get from 2u times 5. And 5 squared is, yes, 25. Bam. So that is our answer there. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. Good luck on the work we are having you do with the difference of cubes when you're factoring them. Alright, try to find some patterns in here that'll help you remember the formula, because you won't always get the formula given to you. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.